From K-tips to the Swan method, watch this transformation really unfold before your eyes. Our lovely client came to us with previous K-tip extensions that were not done by us, guys. We do not do K-tips here. We saturated them with remover and sat her under heat just to make the process a little easier, guys, just because, you know, that is glue holding them together. With the Swan method, there is no glue required. It is a 𝗀𝗏 360 seamless extension method that was patented and created by Leda 𝗧𝒢𝗡. Say bye-bye to all of these K-tips and say hello to the Swan method. This is a top secret technique, y'all, so you guys are not going to see the whole process, but if you want to know how we do this method, there is an online course available 24/7, so if you want to get certified for the Swan method, it is quick and easy. Our Swan students start implementing this technique instantly in their career. Change your life and your clients' lives with the Swan method. I promise you won't regret it. Now, after we installed it, we gave her a little detailed cut-in, styled her up, and sent her on her way. This is Leda real focused on that precision cutting. Yes, ma'am. And this is how she left, guys. Luscious. Now, keep in mind how she came to us. Yeah. She is truly transformed because of the Swan method. Guys, click the link, check out the course, and get yourself Swan Method Extension certified today. You can also find a bunch of other Swan Method transformations on Swan Method on Instagram, Facebook, or Leda 𝗧𝒢𝗡 on all platforms, y'all. Don't be shy. Take that next step and boost your career. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding the Swan Method, give our salon a call and we'll be more than happy to help you with anything you may need.